Hello guys, here is TripleTechGhana. Today I'm going to show you how to delete iTunes backup file from your computer or laptop to save a space or give you space on your computer. So on my local disk C I have 114 gig, but right now I have 7.95 gig free. I have made an iTunes backup for my iPhone. After restoring it on my iPhone, I left the backup file on the computer, but it's very hard for you to know where the backup file is. So today I will teach you how to delete those files so that you can get space on your laptop or computer. So let's start the video. So before you start, you have to go to the search bar. On those who are using Windows 10, you can use the search bar here, Windows 10 and Windows 11. For the Windows 8 users, you come here, then you click on the search bar here. The search bar will appear on the top right corner of your computer. Then you click there, then you search. You will search percentage. You will type percentage, then you will type app data percentage. Then you will see this folder, or you can press enter. But I'll click on the open here, then I'll open it. It opens some folder for me. When you expand the folder, then you will see a lot of files. Or when you install programs, the programs will be creating some files on the computer. Here you find all of them. Then we are deleting the iTunes backup file. So we have to go to the Apple. We'll go to Apple computer, then we double click on it. Then we'll go to mobile sync. Mobile sync. Then we'll click on it. Here we'll see backup. So the backup is for the iTunes backup. The backup folder is for the iTunes. When I put the mouse cursor on it, it shows 18 gigabytes of size. This folder is 18 gigabytes of size. My backup. So here is the backup files. It is 2. This one is not among, these 2. So when I click on the first one, you will see a lot of folders in it. A lot of folders. You can restore it to your iPhone. It contains my pictures, my videos, songs, contacts, everything. So we are going to delete them. So I'll go back and delete this folder, backup folder. So I'll click on delete, then it will start loading. It is a huge folder, very huge folder. You see, this folder is too big to recycle. Do you want to permanently delete it? Then I'll click yes, and to start deleting everything from my computer. Okay, so now everything is deleted from the computer. The backup file is deleted, so let's go and see. You see that right now I have 26.7 gig free space on my hard disk. Yeah, I've created space on my hard disk. So right now I'll go and empty the recycle bin too. See, right now I have 34.3 gigabytes of space on my hard disk. So yeah, it's TripleTechGhana. Subscribe here on YouTube. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok for an update. Thank you. See you next time.